Check, check. 1, 2. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good stuff. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check it all the way through. Check, check. 1, 2. Check, check. And
You want to buy something?
hope and think, believe that the car is safe here. They cannot take the car out. That's for sure.
Making videos.
These guys are coming here to record.
What kind of music?
Here as well.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Check here. Perfect. You guys need power, strips, extensions? Julio. Super loud. Okay.
Recording, like other recording we could do. Yeah, it would be drums. I guess it would be bass.
I would suggest, if possible, always to have drum and bass playing off each other.
As
I'm
well.
gonna be recording everything,
Yeah, but like
But to
with
keep-
the intention to keep
with
it,
the intention to keep is drum and bass.
just drum and bass.
Yeah.
Now you should have more you, Tim.
Which knob is it?
Love you.
Watch out! 'Cause I lose my temper every once in a while. I hope I'm in myself. Point your finger at yourself and it's somebody else.
You guys wanna have a listen real quick? Just when.
I hate it. I hate being
Well, I
here
mean,
right now.
I mean,
think that there was some kind of distortion. Could it be that was no?
Yeah.
Session is still open.
Back off? Yeah, it is open. Back off! Back off! Like more like.
Walk right in.
Give you.
Oh, can I listen back to it? Come on. Wanna leave. Stay longer. A little longer.
Oh, please.
It's atomic bombs.
This could be cool.
Grenades. Party grenades.
Atomic bombs.
Yeah, there we need one test sound.
We don't have any test sound because I forgot most of them at home. So we just.
Wie viel hast du denn noch?
I don't
If
know
we
how
don't
many
know
of those.
that, then we need to be safe. 2 mics, one higher gain, one lower gain. What the fuck do you want?
Oh, okay, come on.
If we don't have, if we cannot do check sound, yes.
The fuck? No, louder, come on. Give me a proper clap. Yeah, this is a proper clap. Louder.
It clipped! Oh, maybe it's cool.
This is exactly the sound that I wanted to hear. But I didn't hear anything on the headphones. I hope you recorded it.
No man, we didn't record it. Alright.
Fuck up. Did you? No.
We don't have it.
Huh?
Yeah, because we had to count in. Sorry, mate. You got another one. Go for it.
No, we don't have another one.
You saw them all together.
But that's mental, man. Why you throw all of them together?
Because I wanted to be intense. This is why I said we have one shot, okay?
Just do it home, you know. Just do it yourself and send me a sample. Let's work on something real.
All alone. How it hurts and you answer him just moving on. Remember, you are not the only one. Walk right in. Take your time, take a seat, take a drink. And this is for you, my friend.
Decide what track we want to work on.
Okay.
My stuff, I have a color TV.
It's a new project, so it's Folkverrat. Verrat means betrayal, because before we did folk music, or not really, I mean also folk influenced heavily, not super heavily, but you know.